jalapeno poppers, bacon wrap.
Nice.
We start out with five jalapenos, and then we cut it in half, and then core them, take out the seeds, and then made a little cheddar, mozzarella, paprika, and some chili flakes, a little bit of chili flakes, and then cream cheese, and just stir it up. We're gonna stuff it, and then we're gonna get ready to preheat the oven, and then bake them.
Awesome.
I'll stuff it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll help you.
Dude, look at that. It's straight.
What you doing now?
Wrapping it around the bacon. Like that.
It's one.
Alright, so right here we got some just regular jalapenos. And so what we do is you wash them and then you poke them with a fork to kind of give it air gaps. That way when you deep fry them, they don't blow up in your face. And then we're gonna check the oil with a chopstick on the bottom. If you see the bubbles bubbling, then it's ready. So cool. We have it on a medium low setting. Should be fine now.
Baked chicken. And the results of the fried peppers.
So let's compete. Alright, so there are the deep fried peppers. Then we got some wings, some kimchi, and jalapeno peppers. So yeah, let's dive right in, guys. I'm trying to be a no rice diet, but let's see how long that goes. Let's go. First bite. It looks like it's still really hard, but it's actually really, really soft. Right. Super soft. And the seeds are still in there. That's the beauty of it.
Chicken wing.
Chicken wing.
Cheesy, crunchy.
That's how you eat a chicken from drumstick. Look at that. Just oozing out. Alright. I'll see you guys next time.